Here's how to lace Converse in a standard style with a bow. Start by taking your lace and we're going to thread it down into each of the very bottom eyelets here from above. So let's bring that lace end down into that one from above. Swap to the other one and take that lace end down into that other bottom eyelet from above. Then what you're going to do is bring your two lace ends together like this, grab a hold of your Converse and just pull those through, and that will mean your laces will come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, pause the video and just make sure they're of equal length before we carry on. Then we're going to keep hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and we're going to bring it up into the next eyelet up from the bottom on this side, but from underneath, like this. So just pull that all the way through, looking good. Then we're going to swap to the other one and we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to bring it over and up through that eyelet there, from underneath, making sure there's no twists or creases in your laces, which happens all the time. Just take a second to fix it whenever it does. Now you can play this video on a half speed if you like, there's literally no rush, just go at your own pace. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to repeat that. We're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue, up through the next empty eyelet from underneath on that side. Swap back to the other lace. Bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on the other side. Just pull that through. Looking good. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet, just like we did before. And we're just going to repeat that on the other side. Bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet, like this. So you want to make sure you're always following it in that way. So the same lace is always on the top of the little X's here. So just take a second to make sure the same lace is always on the top. And then we're going to carry on. We're going to keep a hold of this lace first. Bring it over the sneaker tongue, up through the next empty eyelet. Pull it through. Swap to the other one and we're going to do the same. Bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet. Now we're going to keep a hold of this one, bring it up through the next empty eyelet. Take hold of this lace and do the same on the other side. Bring it up through there. Now what I like to do is stop and leave one eyelet empty, but if you would like to fill that in, then go ahead and just follow the pattern as we've been doing. You can keep a hold of this lace, bring it through first, then this one. But I like to leave it at this stage so it's the best and looks good for the standard lacing style. Then we're going to bring our two laces together and we're going to tie our lace bow. Like so. And there you have it. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have a pair of standard laced high top Converse. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks!